Today we're at AMB 2022 and it's our last day and we visited the Hoffman Group stand here. They've got many products that Tom and I are going to be reviewing. Let's start off in this direction, Tom. Tom, what do you know about the Hoffman Group?
Well, the Hoffman Group do everything from PPE to tooling. And as we've just walked up, now we're on one of the tooling stands here at AMB, and this is great because it's all turning solutions.
So this is being broke down into different segments, like you say. So we've got turning solutions, also parting off solutions. The array of products that they've got in their portfolio in the Garant range is absolutely astonishing, and I really do like the colour coding.
Yeah, it's great. It's great to see the colour coding for the different materials, because it just makes it a lot easier when trying to pick the right tool for the right job.
Well, you're the specialist in cutting tools, Tom, so let's walk around here and look at some of the other products in the cutting tool portfolio. They seem to be having a lot of interest in these cutting tools, and they're really high-performing cutting tools. Would you say that's a fair assumption, Tom?
Oh, definitely, yeah. And obviously you can see by the coatings on each end mill what really material they use for. And it's great because Hoffman now, they do a wide range of everything. So, and even here now, we've got the tipped cutters. So it's really a one-stop shop for just everything. It saves you going from different manufacturers for different things. You can just get it all from the Hoffman Group.
Absolutely. Cutting tools is only one area of the Hoffman Group portfolio. Now we're going to be moving on around here, and they also offer metrology solutions.
And also, one we have just missed, PPE.
PPE, yes. And hopefully the cameraman can turn back round just to have a glimpse at the PPE. So we looked at some of the PPE solutions that they also offer, different graded gloves, for example, dependent on what materials they're going to be handling. And as we walked through, we mentioned the different types of tool holders that are available: shrink fit, side lock holders, different back ends.
Collet chucks. So yeah, they've got a holder for every application.
And how important are tool holders, Tom? I mean, cutting tools are obviously very important, but how important are the tool holders? And some of these extendable ones too, to get down into deep bores, for example.
Yeah, without the tool holder, essentially your applications, you're going to struggle from the start. Especially if you're trying to do high tolerance work, you need your cutter to be running right. And also with the top end holders they've got, also your finishing, your accuracy is just going to be absolutely spot on.
Well, that's brilliant. That kind of covers an overview, or gives us an overview really of the cutting tools and tool holders. Now we're moving on to Workholding, and really, you know, this really emphasises the Hoffman Group offer everything around the machine tool, everything, all of them key elements that you need to get the very best out of the machine tool. So we've got vices, centric grippers, expanding mandrels, 0-point systems. What do you think of this, Tom?
Well, really, there isn't anything you would need in a machine shop that Hoffman don't do. So when you come to Workholding, like you said, you've got your vices, but also to have the 0-point system from the same place just means your setup on your machine's easier, faster. You're not trying to order bits from all over. It's just a great array of solutions under one roof.
That's fantastic consumption, really, Tom. Now, we've also got more Workholding products over here that are designed for fifth axis machines, and you've got different jaw options, centric grippers. So again, the products are vast and dependent really on the application.
There's also a geo-sized vice. So yeah, it's great because they don't just do the small stuff or the big stuff. You can get Workholding from the tiny little vices up to some of the big stuff you would need.
A large range. Now we're just going to, before we go and touch on to something that's extremely new, I just want to take us round the back to vending solutions. This is something that's really important now within many companies, and it saves a lot of time and money. So they also have vending solutions available, and many of them too. So to become more efficient, this is one of the key aspects now in a modern day workshop. So this is one of the systems that they're showcasing here. But now we've got a bit of a surprise for you, and something that maybe you wouldn't know that Hoffman can supply, and it's automation. Automation is something new from Hoffman Group. Tom?
Well, just as we're walking past, we can touch on the live tooling.
So they've got live tooling as well.
Live tooling as well, so that's another option from Hoffman.
So automation really is a brilliant addition to this portfolio. It really brings everything together, and you can see the robot now in action, unloading this DMG Mori machine. Tom, what do you think about the portfolio of products from Hoffman Group?
Well, Hoffman have got everything, and as we know, with the struggles with work and also the struggles in the UK of people trying to actually find skilled workers is really hard. So automation is helping companies still run production and just keep the businesses going. And with Hoffman having automation, they have the complete package, which is another ease. It's also easy for their customers to get everything under one roof.
So there you have it, the complete solution from Hoffman Group UK, coming to the UK soon.